Asheli from Attitude Reviews, and today we're here with Culture Carton. If you're not familiar with this subscription, this is a monthly subscription box for men. This standard package includes a mixture of lifestyle items and an essential book. It's $45. I do have a 20% off coupon code for your first box. It's TREE. I'll put that down in the description. They do send this to me for a review, but that's not an affiliate link, just so you know. Also, they do have just a book for $16 or just the lifestyle items for $35. This is the most recent box. We're going to open it together. This is the Curtis box. There are two inserts and one does break down the items in the box along with their retail values. We'll save that for the end of the video though. Let's just get in here. It looks like this is a duffel bag or something. Basic. Oh, they had their own subscription, Basic Man. Do you guys remember that? I reviewed it. This is a duffel bag. Indeed, it is a duffel. Oh, here's the other thing. Oh, that's cool. It's big. What would I use this for? I guess you could use it for the gym. I don't really go to the gym, but I do like how big it is. Maybe for my son's karate stuff. That's a good idea. And there's the Basic Man logo on it. All right, so that's a cool item. All right, next we have Fresh E-Tech. I guess this is a phone stand, I'm guessing. We'll see on the insert. Looks like you just put your phone in and it kind of tilts. I could actually use something like this. Very useful. Very useful. It smells like wood too. I like it. All right, next up we have something from WC. Looks like a glasses case. Or, yeah, it's a glasses case. I love this though. What could I use it for? I guess sunglasses, but like what else could I use it for? I love the way it looks. Isn't it neat? It's like a suede or faux suede. I don't know. All right, then our final item for the month is our book, and this is Kingdom Tide, a novel by Ry Curtis. The sole survivor of a plane crash, 72-year-old Cloris Waldrop is lost and alone in the unforgiving wilderness of Montana's rugged Bitterroot Range, exposed to the elements with no tools beyond her wits and ingenuity. Intertwined with her story is the tale of Deborah Lewis, a park ranger struggling with addiction and a recent divorce, who is galvanized by her mission to find and rescue Cloris. As Cloris wanders mountain forests and valleys, subsisting on whatever she can scavenge her hold on life, ever more precarious, Ranger Lewis and her motley group of rescuers follow the trail of clues she left behind. Days stretch into weeks and hope begins to fade, but with nearly everyone else giving up, Ranger Lewis stays true until the end. Kingdom Tide is a story of the decency and surprising resilience of ordinary people faced with extraordinary circumstances. In powerful, exquisite prose with turns that are often as funny as they are dramatic, Ry Curtis delivers an inspiring account of two indelible women whose heroism reminds us that salvation can spring from the unlikeliest sources and that survival is only the beginning. That actually sounds like a really good book. A book from a few months ago called The Heads of Cerebus. I'm almost done with. It's very good. I like it a lot. So I'm excited to dive in here. All right. The items in this bag. The book is $17. The Basic Man duffel bag is $50. Duffel bags are really expensive, so cool. Weekend casual suede sunglass case, $20. So this is from Weekend Casual. I love this. Maybe I will put a pair of sunglasses in here and throw them in my purse. I just love this little sachet, I don't know. All right, and then the wooden cell phone stand is $10, bringing this box to a total value of $97. That's a really good deal. Love all these items. I will link down below to my full review on my blog. We'll do the full price breakdown and all that good stuff, but I'll also link to Culture Carton so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.